Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well, and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin Cash. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Bitcoin Cash has broken out a rising wedge pattern on a daily time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, here you can see that this was the rising wedge pattern that recently, few days ago, it has broken out. And after the breakout, the price got rejected by this long-term resistance of $450 and almost retested the previous resistance of the wedge as support. You can see that the price went very close to this previous resistance that can now work as support. And now it is again geared up and trying to break out this long-term resistance of $450. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $450 had been previously breaking as a resistance here. And before that, it had been breaking as a resistance here and almost as a support here and support here as well. Therefore, again, it is breaking as a strong resistance for the price line. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this breakout from this down channel and a breakout from this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for XRP, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade setup. Like when you will scroll it down, here you can watch the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And you can also watch when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 4th of November 2024. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very, very massive pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Bitcoin Cash. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that a few days ago, Bitcoin Cash broke out this rising wedge pattern. But after the breakout, it is not able to break out this long-term resistance of $450 so far. Therefore, not to start a massive move from here, because we have already broken out this the previous down channel as well. We will need to break out this resistance of $450. And now if we take a look at the target, by the way, for this breakout from this rising wedge pattern, that technical target is here, approximately $536. And I'm expecting that soon it can hit that target and break out this resistance of $450. And so far, the price line did not hit the target for the breakout from this previous down channel as well. You can see that the price line has also broken out this down channel a few days ago, and it was rejected by this resistance of $450. Before that, it had been rejected by this resistance of rising wedge pattern as well. And the target for the breakout from this channel is, by the way, here at the top of the channel at $700. By the way, from $700 to $800, we have a very long-term resistance zone. Now we are moved to the 7-day time frame chart, and here you can see that this resistance zone that starts from $700 and goes to $800 has been previously breaking as a resistance zone here. And before that, we got rejected here. We got another rejection here, another rejection here. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Bitcoin Cash. Now, if we take a look at the final target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that long-term target can be here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $1,600 to $2,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.